All right, YouTube, it's your boy, it's Ken, your favorite pinnacle, Symphony of the Seas, Crown Loft Suite, 1748. Here's the room tour. Now, as you guys know, the Crown Loft is one of my favorite rooms in the entire fleet. We have a lot of storage here, more drawers there. We have a full bathroom on the first floor. That's right, I said first floor. That means there's a second floor coming. With the transporter shower, no curtain. Come out here, you will see we have a wonderful, wonderful table. All of the champagne from our Crown and Anchor Society. This opens up, it's very, very comfortable. We have the refrigerator down there, the coffee maker, and the TV. Now, this is a Crown Loft, so let's go upstairs. There is a second floor. We are walking. We are walking. We are walking. We have a king-size bed here. Now, guys, plugs on both sides, okay? Gotta love it. TV comes down from the ceiling. And of course, we have the vanity for the ladies to look pretty. Closet here, safe there, that's me. And another bathroom with a bathtub. Gotta love it. Let's go outside and check the balcony. We are walking. We're walking. We're walking. Let's go outside. 2 lounge chairs, 1 table, very, very nice balcony. We are alongside here in Bayonne on board Royal Caribbean Symphony of the Seas. Please like and subscribe and check the bell for notifications. We got a lot more cruising. Once again, it's your boy, it's Ken, your favorite pinnacle, and we will see you at